Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you are all doing well, and I'm here in Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh, and today I want to share something very special with you from the Eid Jamaat organized by Hizb ut-Tawheed. The place I'm standing right now feels with full of unity, love, and happiness. And also you can see today here men and women are together for performing Eid Salah with full of respect and dignity. Also people have come here with their families, children, parents, cousins, friends, with everyone. But now some people may feel surprised seeing men and women in the same Eid gathering. But this is not something new. This was a practice during the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There is a beautiful hadith from Atiyah radiallahu anha. She said, "We were commanded to bring out the menstruating women and veiled women to attend the Eid festivals." So even women on their periods attend the Eid Jamaat to listen to the khutbah, take part in dua, and to be included in the blessings. And this clearly shows that Islam honors men and women in religious life. Now I want to share something very important about Hizb ut-Tawheed. From the very first day it was established, Hizb ut-Tawheed has never accepted any money for religious work. Whether it's leading salah, doing nikah, performing janaza, giving khutbahs, or spreading the message of true Islam. They do it only for the sake of Allah, not for any personal benefit. Why? Because in Surah Baqarah, ayat 174, we learn that we shouldn't take even small price for religious work. If anybody does, Allah will not speak to them on the day of judgment, nor purify them, and they will have a painful punishment. Hizb ut-Tawheed follows this command strictly. They believe Deen is not for sale, and today's Eid Jamaat is a clear example of that belief in action. The Imam who led today's prayer and gave the khutbah didn't take any money for this. Dear audience, in today's khutbah, the Imam reminded us about the current situation of the Ummah. He said, Muslims are suffering because we are divided, and the only solution is to unite on one sentence, that is the Kalima Tawheed. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. He said, if Muslims return to this kalima with sincerity, inshallah, injustice will end and peace will come back to the Ummah. And those who respond to the call of Hizb ut-Tawheed can be the people through whom Allah brings justice, unity, and peace to the Muslim world. And dear audience, there is one more thing I really want to highlight, and that is the discipline here. The entire arrangement of the Jamaat is so well organized and peaceful. And you can see that in the back rows there is a separate place for women's, and we can see in the front rows men's are performing their Eid Salah. And something I personally noticed and appreciated, that the shoes are all kept in an organized manner, no mess, no confusions, everything is in its place. And these small details really shows us something deeper, that Islam is a religion of discipline, beauty, and respect. And Hizb ut-Tawheed has truly brought that life today. And also there is another point I really want to mention, and it's something we all know happens in many places. In most mosques around Bangladesh, unfortunately, it's not uncommon for people's shoes to get stolen from outside. But what's amazing about Hizb ut-Tawheed is that their gatherings, whether in their mosque or even in a huge Eid Jamaat like this, are known for their strong discipline. Even here today, you can see people have left their shoes outside without any fear. There is no tension, no worries. And I want to say that there is a very clear reason for that. The people here are mu'min. A mu'min is someone who is ready to give their life and wealth in the path of Allah. A mu'min does not steal. A mu'min does not commit injustice. That's why I can say in Hizb ut-Tawheed we don't see things like shoe theft or any kind of injustice. So dear audience, finally I want to say this Eid Jamaat reminded us of how Islam was 1400 years ago during the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is what the real Islam looks like. It's beautiful, it's peaceful, it's for everyone. It doesn't divide us, it brings us together, and it teaches us to serve Deen only for Allah, not for fame, not for personal benefits, not for money. And that is the true message of Islam. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if this video touched your heart, I will request you to share this video with everyone. And lastly, I want to say that stay united on one sentence, that is Kalima Tawheed, La ilaha illallah, and stay with Hizb ut-Tawheed.